Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Notion and picking the page where the journal will live. Create a new page, add an icon and cover so it's easy to find. These visual cues matter. Once done, add a clear title and a heading for today's entry, then type the date. Next, insert a prompt line like 3 things today to guide entries. This gets you writing immediately and establishes structure, so you won't stare at a blank page later. Now build repeatable structure. Convert the page into a database or add a template button that creates a ready-made entry with date, time, and tags. You should pick one database view for your habit, calendar for streaks, table for analysis, list for fast scrolling. Then add properties, date, mood, tags, a rating from 1 to 5, and a checkbox for completed. Once finished, test the template by creating an entry. This keeps consistency and makes reviewing simpler. Finish by setting a review rhythm and small automations. You can add a weekly reminder in Notion or link it to your calendar to prompt review. Create simple formulas, average rating and streak count, to surface trends, and use saved filters to view only moods or tags you care about. If entries stop syncing or templates fail, duplicate the journal page, check workspace permissions, and reconnect integrations. This final sweep secures reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.